Have you ever thought about this? How does your body make new cells? When you get a cut, your skin slowly starts to repair itself. New cells fill in the damaged area. A tiny seed grows into a plant because its cells keep increasing in number. As children, we grow taller because bones and muscles make more cells during growth. Hair and nails keep growing because new cells are made underneath. From healing to growing, living things constantly produce new cells. But where do all these new cells actually come from? What's happening inside every living organism? Inside living things, cells have a natural way of creating more cells. This process is called cell division, when one cell becomes new cells. It's the reason living things can grow, heal, and stay alive.